Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Journey Alternator, full guide. Disconnect the negative battery terminal immediately and wear safety glasses. Start by removing the engine cover and noting belt routing. Release belt tension with the serpentine tool and slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Unplug the electrical connectors and remove mounting bolts, keeping track of hardware and orientation for reinstallation. Begin by labeling each connector and taking a quick photo for reference, then remove the wiring harness and tensioner belt. Loosen and remove the alternator mounting bolts while supporting the unit with one hand. Carefully lift the alternator out of its bracket and set it on a protected surface. Compare the new alternator to the old unit to ensure matching harnesses, pulley size, and mounting points before installing. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener for your car to keep it smelling great after garage work and fluid changes, especially when changing an alternator. It's a small touch that makes the drive home nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new alternator into the bracket and thread mounting bolts to hold it lightly, then align and tighten to the correct snugness. Reconnect all electrical plugs and the main power lead, ensuring corrosion-free contact. Reinstall the serpentine belt and release the tensioner so the belt seats properly on pulleys. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, start the engine, and verify charging voltage and belt alignment before final checks and cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.